Hello everyone, welcome to another ExpressVPN video. Today I will show you how you can get 3 months for free with ExpressVPN. Now if you are on ExpressVPN right here, as you can see right here, you can see 30-day money back guarantee, right? If you want, you can also go to the Google, you can just type in ExpressVPN trial, hit the first link, and then you will land on this page right here. Here you can actually enjoy ExpressVPN's full features for 30 days with zero commitment. You can pick any plan and try the best VPN now, totally risk-free, right? If you're not 100% satisfied, you can cancel anytime within 30 days and you'll get your money back, basically. So you just hit start your free trial here today. And then as you can see, obviously, here's the deal. Your special deal, 12 months plus 3 months for free, right? You can select the plan that you want, right? But as you can see, you have 30-day money back guarantee. So they will actually give you the money back, right? So this is currently what you can do if you want to go and if you want to have an ExpressVPN 30-day trial. Obviously, they say it's no commitment, but you will still have to go and you will still have to pay, unfortunately, right? And then obviously you will get your money back if you don't like the VPN, right? You can just go and you can pretty much contact them, right? And they will give you the money back. Now, this is one of the best VPNs on the market, so I definitely recommend this one. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.